I can't tell you how many fictitious products I've designed for my portfolios, but I almost always struggle and sometimes don't want to bother with the brand logo. Recently, I've been using Adobe Express to quickly create great-looking logos for my designs. Straight from the home screen, a new project can be kicked off, and in this case, a logo. Now, you can design one from scratch, but if you're like me and logo design just isn't your strong suit, a template is a great start. And there are well over 1,000 to search through. Once you've chosen a template, your logo can then be customized to better fit the experience you're designing. You can change the text, colors, font styling, typefaces. You can transform the various assets, and even the images can be swapped out with something fresh and delicious. Finally, with your newly created logo complete, it can be downloaded as a PNG with a transparent background and brought into XD to give your branding a colorful boost. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to subscribe for more content, follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you all next time.